So my friends, Running Kimono here. So we're going to talk about this specific coupon that showed up on Sunday, and it is a little gift. 5 off 20 for Gain products over at the Dollar General. Pretty hyper whenever this guy shows up because it is the maximum amount of savings when you can stack it with a 5 off 25. So just to show you what the two look like, boom, when these two stack together, you get $20 of Gain merchandise and another $5, and that's $10 off right there. So a couple of rules for you guys, especially the newer shoppers. You're going to have to do this at a non-updated store to get that full 10 off of 25. Updated stores, you'll get 3 receipts. The cash registers are all touchscreen. There's no keypad anymore. You got to pay attention. Maybe buy a 25-cent candy and then see what comes out of the machine. You really have to pay attention to the math and everything going on because the slightest mistake, it can mess everything up. As stated, the biggest savings will be on the 28th, which is a Saturday. If you want to throw everything into a basket for a pickup at the store to see how the digital coupons are coming off, by all means, but don't do the deal that way. To get the 2 coupons to come off, you have to go to a physical store. Do it in front of a cashier, not at self-checkout. And double, triple check your mathematics because they have been increasing the prices over at the Dollar General. I don't want you to have an extra surprise on Saturday morning, so check those prices again. Any issues you might have, void the transaction or just say, hey, I forgot my wallet in my car, void the transaction. They'll have to oblige. Just to show you, I did this deal, I think about a month ago, because they've been very generous with that 5 off 20 a lot. And see that receipt on the right-hand side, how it looks. That is a non-updated store. So all the information is there, the little survey for $1,000, they don't print the 5 off 25 anymore. It's a QR code, but pay attention. Does your receipt look like this? You don't have that touch screen at your store. It's an old-fashioned keypad cash register. You really got to focus, pay attention. One item I will not be adding into these matchups is this guy, the Swiffer Wet with the 10 off coupon. Basically, at remodeled stores or updated stores, what happens is the cashier will have to turn a key at the cash register because of the value of the coupon to authenticate it. And if the cashier refuses to do that, it's going to be an extra $10. So I would pass this altogether. Those of you that got it the last couple of weeks, congratulations, awesome. But for the most of us, it would be impossible to find this stuff in the store. And to get that turnkey, you're probably going to get a lecture before you get the turnkey to work. In case you missed it, guys, yesterday was the first day of the 25-cent sale over at the Dollar General. I got this whole table for like $4. You might want to check it out. I break down everything, even the math for overage. And the next wave of this will be on Tuesday the 31st. It's going to drop down to 10 cents, whatever's remaining in the store. And then the third wave will probably be on the 7th for a penny. Video will be linked at the very end. Okay, so deal number 1 is an any day deal. If you can't make it out there on Saturday, let's look at a deal. So we're going to load this guy, which is a 5 off of 20. And all digital coupons are of a one-time use. So if you're going to use this earlier in the week, it's a one and done. So what we're going to grab for this basket is 2 of the Mr. Clean with Gain. So if you see below Mr. Clean's t-shirt, it says Gain on the logo. Boom, load that 325 digital coupon. I'm going to grab this big guy, $7.50 for this detergent, and we have a $2 digital. Again, scan all the barcodes to ensure that your digital coupons are attaching. And then for $4.50, we're going to grab a Gain Fireworks. That tag 2 for $7 is an older one as well. Load this $1 digital, guys. Here's the math, any day deal. 1 Gain detergent for $7.50, 2 Mr. Clean with the Gain Send for $8. They're $4 a pop now. And then 1 Gain Firework for $4.50. So the grand total for all of this wonderful merchandise is $20 on the nose. As the cashier is scanning your merchandise, punch in your phone number, 5 off 20 will come off, along with $6.25 of digital manufacturers. You're paying $8.75 for the 4 items, or $2.18 per. If you think about it, you're paying for the detergent and getting the rest for free. This is a superb deal. Okay, so this next deal, I will be doing it and I'll post on social media, probably Instagram and TikTok, how it goes. Load these 2, and again, I'm going on Saturday the 28th to get the maximum amount of savings. I'm going to be grabbing 2 of the Swiffer Wet mopping cloths for $5.50 a pop, so that's $11. And we have a 6 off of 2. Hopefully you still have that loaded on your card. We're also going to grab 2 of the Mr. Clean multi-surface cleaners with the Gain scent and load the $3.25 coupon. We're going to grab a dollar spot dish soap by Gain. If you scan it, the 5 off 20 is in fact attaching. I'm just going to provide the barcode for you guys to see if you have this in the store. Alternatively, you can grab the $2 dryer sheets if you wish. I'm going to grab this. And then 2 of the Easy Squeeze dish soaps. At my store, they are $2.85 in the app, but $2.95 in store. We have a $2.99 digital. Load that. So on Saturday, I'm heading over to the store. In my basket, we have the 2 Swiffer with the Gain pads for $11, 2 of the Mr. Clean with Gain for $8, 1 Gain dish soap for $1, and then 2 Dawn Easy Squeezes for $5.70 for a grand total of $25.70. As the cashier's scanning all of my merchandise, I punch in my phone number. 5 off 25 and 5 off 20 will come off, along with $12.25 in digital manufacturers. If you add up the coupons that I showed you in the slides previous, that's what it adds up to. Final total here is $3.46 for the 7 or 49 cents per. If you want to wait for me, Instagram, TikTok, I will be showing it over there on Saturday morning and let you know how this shakes out. This is a superb deal. Now, that Mr. Clean with Gain might be a tall order to find. So in your clearance section, if you might be able to find these little, it's like a soap scrubber with the Gain scent. Alternatively, these are $3.15. It will skew the math a bit, so you're going to have to go back in and add a couple extra things to get you right to that $20 mark. But here's the UPC. I found this at multiple stores in the clearance section. They had a whole lot of them. So you might have a lot of luck and track some down, but just an alternative if you can't find that multi-surface cleaner. Okay, so the final deal that we have is for Saturday. So we're going to load our 2 best friends, which is the 5 off 20 and the 5 off of 25 non-updated store where we're going to be shopping. We're going to grab this best friend for $7.50, and we have a $2 digital coupon. And if you'd rather get pods or whatever, scan it in the store to ensure that $2 is attaching. And then the Gain fireworks for $4.50, and then we have a $1 digital coupon attaching. Again, if you wanted to get something a little different like fabric softener, go for it. We're also going to grab 3 of the Febreze Air Effect with the Gain scent. Look, it's at the bottom. We're going to load that digital, and then the $3.30 off of 2. Final product we're grabbing is a bag of the finished tabs Quantum for $4.95. We have a $1.50 digital to load for that. Over on Ibotta, Dollar General is in fact included in this rebate, an extra $1 back when you buy the Quantum pods. Looking at the math for this, again, we're going on Saturday the 28th. 1 Gain detergent for $7.50, 1 Gain firework for $4.50, 3 Febreze Air Effect with the Gain scent for $9.75, and 1 Finish Quantum tab for $4.95 for a grand total of $26.70. As the cashier is scanning your merchandise, punch in your phone number. 5 off 25, 5 off 20 will come off, along with $8.80 in digital manufacturers. You're going to pay $7.90 plus tax, get $1 back from Ibotta, making it $6.90 for the 6 or $1.15 per product. As always, thanks for watching, guys, and we will catch you in the next one.